Let's get to Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at St. Paul Research for the Weekly Options Alert. Hello to you, Alan. Let's start off with your Trader Talk.
Hello, Angie. You can see it's a little cool out right now, but summer is coming. Things will heat up once again. It was only Friday, TGIF, that we made all-time forever highs across the board, the tech sector, the S&P, and the Dow.
Alan, you have a fresh round of winning trades. Fill us in.
We used that Friday flurry to take profits, 100% gain in Oracle. So that was done in just 2 weeks. So that helped offset the no good Nikola trade that went off the board on Friday. Our current positions. Let's talk May. The May options, we've got Lumber Liquidators and American Airlines. We took 50% gain in American on half. We'll look to see what we can do with the second half there. Let's go out to June. We've got Verizon. We're still trying to get that 100%, that elusive 100% on the second half. And we've also got SPWR. So we've got 2 months for the sun to shine there. Also July, we've got 10 cent, 3 months for a takeoff in that tech stock.
This week, your trade trigger is taking us on the road.
All right, the trade trigger for today, Uber Drive. This is a stock that's rallied 300% from its lows last March. It's been trading between 50 and 60, now stalled out for the last 5 months. That gives us a 55 midpoint. So we're looking at the June 55 calls. They're in the money. We're looking for them to go a little bit further in the money. And a breakout of this sideways range, that target's 70. So again, June 55 calls with a 70 target. And if we get there, that option will more than double.
What are your trading day takeaways?
All right, trading takeaway number one. Number one is 4 more. The S&P full V recovery, we got to 4,000, we've talked about that. Now 4,600 is the next target. That's about 10% higher. That's that 1,200 point drop from the top that we saw last year on those old highs. That target's 4,600, so still more upside in the S&P. Number two, 2010. Not the year, even though the market was up more than 10% in that year, 2010. Coming into this week, all right, again, coming into this week, the S&P, the Dow, and the NASDAQ were all up 20% in the last 6 months and up 10% for 2021. And number three, 91 fun. I talk about the dollar a lot because it's a bullish catalyst and has been in a downtrend for a year without, if you ignore this little bounce we've seen here recently. So 6-month lows here this week, below 91. 91 is the midpoint of the action that we saw February to March, firmness. So a close below 91 on a weekly basis is very positive for stocks.
Thanks as always, Alan.
Thank you.
Check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.